Hey guys, today is Friday, no, Monday. Today's Monday and it's a crappy day. Like, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Like, it's snowing and it's super windy outside. Like, last night, this house here, that car had a carport, okay? Just like over there, it's gone. And when we were driving back from Home Hardware earlier, we seen a carport like up in the hydro lines, like, and the poles, like it was straight up. So I don't know if it was theirs or somebody else lost theirs. But yeah, that's crazy. But we're gonna vlog today. It's kind of a blah, boring day. We're not doing anything. But let's just vlog. And I don't even have my makeup done. I put like quickly mascara on and that was it. But let's show you guys my bummin' outfit. I am just wearing this Hollister zip up with a white tank. This zip up's kind of like a cream color, but I love it. It's comfy and it's cozy. And then I'm wearing these yoga pants and my slippers. And look at, I have a little bomb that I need to clean. But yeah, total bummin' outfit. I was going to film a hair tutorial today because last time somebody had requested one when I had my hair all big and braids, but I really don't feel like getting ready. Like, I hate getting ready and not having anything to do. It feels like a waste of makeup, a waste of my time, and yeah. So I'm not getting ready. Maybe I'll film it tomorrow. I don't know. But yesterday we hung our surround sound. We put them in the corners. And then we of course have it here. But it looks much better because before they were there. And now they're up there. And today the company Yan orders food from came. Well, like, we buy food too, but there's this company that like stocks your freezer, and they came today and we had like 10 boxes. Like, we've collapsed them now, but they filled the freezer up, and I want this freezer here that sticks out and looks so stupid. I want it downstairs in the basement. So Yannick will do that one day. Soon. Huh? And here's our freezer, guys. It's like super packed. Like really packed. Like, you get everything. There's steaks, they give you chicken, there's chicken fingers, there's a different kind of steak, there's another different kind of steak, there's hamburg, roasts, they give you hash browns, bacon, fries, juice, more fries, some ham, chicken burgers, some more steak, filet mignon, chicken breast, roasts, some more hamburger, turkey. But like, it's packed, and we obviously ran out of room because that's a lot, and we had to put some in our other freezer, which I mainly wanted to keep this as like whatever we buy we can just throw in here, but we had to put more stuff in there, butter. And then they also give you like pantry stuff. Like, we got a big thing of mushrooms, some Kraft dinner, and all that ketchup and rice. So it's sweet because he comes here and then you like go through a list of stuff of what you would want, and then he like checks everything off you would like, and then like a couple weeks later it all comes in, and yeah, I think it's cheaper than like going out and buying it. Wow. Because you save a lot. But that's what we did in the morning, was go through that and unpack it. And we went to renew my prescription so we don't have babies. And I was like, I went to bed last night and I thought like I forgot that it was Sunday, so I needed to take a pill, right? And I forgot, so Yan comes down here because his friend slept on the couch last night. So he comes down here and he couldn't find my pills, so I had to get dressed, come down here and look, and I didn't have any. So that's horrible, that's bad. I wish that didn't happen. But I had to get up early and go get pills and take a pill right away, or we're gonna have babies. So that was probably TMI, but I told you guys anyways. But yeah, we're just gonna entertain ourselves. Eating Yan's steak. And to our right we have a shaking dog. Aw, she's just cold. You can't really tell. We got our monkeys. And we got our monkeys! 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 Give me it. Oh. So we are cleaning the basement. I don't know if you can hear the vacuum or not. I'm trying to avoid it. But we're just downstairs cleaning the basement. Oh. And yeah, yesterday Yan had friends over and played poker. And they of course were drinking and stuff. I wasn't, because I don't like drinking. Unless I'm with like my girlfriends. But that's like twice a year. And anyways, they came over and drank, and we set up a table downstairs because I like to have like a clean house, and I hate when like I'm around a bunch of drunk people and they're trashing it and not making it look nice. So we bought a table the other day at the motel, updated their looks, so they were selling everything, so we bought a table there for like 15 bucks. I'll show you guys once he's done vacuuming. And then I bought a picture, and this is what it looks like. It's perfect for like the fall. Hi guys. But yeah, it's perfect for the fall. It's like trees and cool things like that. But they had long skinny ones, and I wish I would have grabbed it because I could have made like a collage, but I didn't think of that. So that sucks. But yeah, I bought that big picture. Like, this thing is big. Like, it's up to my hip. Yeah, it's up to my hip. And I only paid $5 for it, and it's thick. So if I ever change my mind on liking it, I can always make it a 3D picture, like add objects to it. But Yannick's done vacuuming, so let's go show you what it looks like. Oh! And that's his table. But we are just cleaning. We came to the grocery store because we're going to make this supper I seen on Pinterest, and we had to grab some things, but it's like a snowstorm outside. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. Made out of pop. That's cool. That is so cool. Get it back to the car. Woo. And this is what we're dealing with. You guys can't see the outside. There we go.
Let's see.
Like, it's blowing like mad out there. So this is what we're dealing with, people. Outside view. You don't even get to see it. Like, it's blowing snow everywhere, and it's not a good time. And I hate winter. See, this happened over like a few hours. So we just got done preparing supper, and that's the leftover that we couldn't fit, but that's what it looks like. Looks yummy. But I have it on my Pinterest, the recipe, if you guys want it. My Pinterest is Mstiffxo. But yeah, we're waiting to eat. Yannick has bowling at 7:30 and it's 6:40, so we're cutting it real close. And then they're gonna leave right away and I'm gonna be stuck with all these dishes. So my friend just came over and she just left now. It's the one that's pregnant. She was just here and she brought me a coffee. So we like sat here and literally talked for 2 hours. And now she's gone and Yannick's actually just pulling in now. So perfect timing. And I don't know what we're going to do. But tomorrow's our anniversary. So hopefully I'll edit this vlog tonight and maybe hopefully post it today. We'll see. But yes, tomorrow, as in Tuesday, is our 1.5 years, I think we're up to. But I am waiting for Yannick. Yannick's home.
Hi.
Look at how ugly he is, guys. I think that's so ugly when guys do Movember.
Awesome.
It's retarded. But I'm just standing here watching him watch his iPad.
Try to fucking all this fucking thing.
Oh yeah, we got these things at our grocery store today. And it's like every time you buy groceries you get points towards it. And then we each got one on our keychains. So when we buy groceries we got it. And it gives you points of some sort. So I just got done working out on my bicycle. Let's look at it. I was on it for 5 minutes pretty much. And I did pretty much a mile. And I burnt 14 calories. I do like 3 miles throughout the day. I'll do like a mile at a time. But I am going to end the vlog here. It's like 10:30. I'm going to go upstairs and edit it because Yannick's friend's here. And I just don't want him to hear it. So I'll just go upstairs and edit. And I will see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.